and address some of the potential index changes that we could be looking at very soon. MSCI and FTSE quarterly updates are scheduled this week itself. Vivek is here with the expectations. Vivek, tell us more.
Well, good morning. That's right. So, come Wednesday morning, what we will have is we will have the list of stocks that have made the cut as far as the MSCI index inclusions are concerned. Now, this is a list of stocks that most of them that we've already highlighted earlier, and active fund managers have already started positioning themselves in anticipation of their likely entry as far as the MSCI indexes are concerned. Now, we'll go through the list again, and some of the other stocks, that we are highlighting that could make the cut this time around as well. So November 15th early morning is when the list will come out. List of stocks that could enter the main index, that is the MSCI Standard Index. The first stock on our list, IndusInd Bank. This stock has already made the cut in terms of market cap, but however, what was holding the stock back from entering the index was the foreign shareholding. Now that also has fallen below the required threshold, and which is why now the stock could make its entry, and likely inflows of close to $300 million is what is expected in IndusInd Bank. The other stocks are APL Apollo Tubes, Macrotech, that is Lodha. You could also see Tata Motors DVR, Persistent Systems, that could see a good inflow of close to $210 million. Tata Communication, Polycab, Paytm could make the cut this time around. Another stock that could come, could bit of a disbelief, but Suzlon most likely going to make the cut this time around, $190 million flow. And the last stock that could make the cut this time around is Federal Bank. If Federal Bank makes the cut this time around, $180 million of inflows is what the stock will see if it comes into the MSCI Standard Index. Also remember, along with MSCI, FTSE also will take into account quarterly adjustments, and this will happen on November 17th. Now, this particular index, it's a quarterly index review. So all of the IPOs, the spin-offs, that is what FTSE will be taking into account. So a couple of stocks on our radar. Mankind Pharma. Mankind Pharma could enter the FTSE indices, $30 million worth of inflows. And the other stock that could see a bit of a marginal weight up is Tata Steel. And this is the post-merger completion of Tata Steel long products with Tata Steel itself. There could be a small weight up in the index itself.
All right, Vivek, thanks a lot for getting us all of that important for this week, and that is something that we're tracking. But with that, we are going to get into a short break. On the other side, we'll speak with the management of Jupiter Life Hospitals. The company posted their second quarter numbers, so we'll talk about that as well as what the coming quarters could look like. Stay tuned.